Okay guys, so today we are going to do a how to draw. So usually if you are an extended day, you know that on Mondays I like to do drawing contests, but it's not about being the best artist, being the best person to draw the object. I want you guys to try. And I want you guys to try and keep your work nice and neat. So not a bunch of scrabbles. Like, I just really want to see that you guys put some effort into it. So that means you tried to make it look nice. You tried to draw and follow the steps. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And it does not have to look exactly like the drawing that I'm about to show you. So go ahead and make sure you have a blank piece of paper and a pencil. That's all you need for now. At the end, if you would like to color it in, that's great. Usually my rules for drawing contests, which this is not a drawing contest since we're not at the school, but if you would like to send me pictures, you can go ahead and have your parents take a picture and email it to me. If not, then that's fine. You can just put it up in your room as a decoration. But for this, I would really like for you guys to go ahead and follow along with each step and then go ahead and add background details. But like I said, it does not have to look exactly like mine, and you'll see what I mean at the end. Okay, so for your first step, we'll try to make this one a super easy one. I'll maybe draw a couple different options for you guys. That way it's not super easy or too hard, and you can choose which one you want to do. So today we are going to be drawing a bunny. So for your first step, go ahead and write nice and big the letter D. Okay, so that's all you need, the letter D. Make sure you put it kind of close to the middle of the paper for now. That way you can kind of see where everything needs to be. So it's your first step, the letter D. Okay, so step number 2. Go ahead and make 2 small circles for the eyes. And I know a lot of you like to do the cute eyes. You can totally do that, but for now, go ahead and just do the dots just so that you can keep along with the rest of the steps. Okay, so for this first foot, you are going to think of the number 3, and that's what this shape for the foot will basically be. So go ahead and start with just a small bump, so that's the top of your 3, and then go ahead and make it bigger for the bottom of the 3, and that's your first foot. Okay, now for the ears, you are going to draw an M shape, a capital M shape. So start at one end right about here. We're going to go up, curve it down, then go a little bit towards this area of the ear, the first ear, and keep going with your M and curve. So now you have your ears. Okay, for your next step, you are going to add the letter V right here off to the side, and that will be your second foot. And now you are going to add a nose. So you know what a pizza shape looks like, right? So it's basically a V like that with a little curve at the top for the crest. So that's what you are going to draw for the nose. So go between the eyes and a little bit down. Go ahead and make that pizza slice shape by drawing a V with a curve at the top. And that's your nose. And now we're going to close off this foot area right here. So you're just going to make a curvy line right here, like that. And now it's connected. But now you have this overlapping line. So it looks like the body's going through the foot, which does not happen. So go ahead and erase that line that overlaps. Okay, so for your next step, you are going to, once again, use the number 3 shape. So go over to the tip of the nose and make the first part of the 3 right there. And then go back to the tip of the nose and make the other side of the 3. So there's your mouth. Now for your arm, think of the letter U and go ahead and go off to the side of the body and draw a long U. And that's your little bunny arm. Now we'll use the 3 shape again, twice, to make the little cottontail off to the side. So start at the top of where the tail is going to be, make a 3 right there, and then go ahead and go to the bottom and make a mirror image. So make another 3 shape. Now that you have those 3 shapes, add one last one to connect the cottontail. And then for the inside of your ears, go ahead and erase this overlapping line right in here. So that is going to go away. Okay, so now that's gone. And just how you did the inside of the ears kind of looking like an M, well now pretend that M gets cut in half, or think of it as 2 upside down V's. And on the inside, make those 2 upside down V's, or a split in half M. And we're almost done. So we just have 2 more steps. We're going to add teeth in between by making a letter E. So make the line, the short lines, then the one long line to connect it, and a line in the middle. So that'll give you an E shape for your teeth. And then your details. So the little bunny is going to have little curved lines. So think of it as a C shape almost on its paws. And there you go. You have a bunny out of the letter D. So this is what I meant by everybody's bunny can look different. It does not have to look exactly like mine. And you can do that by adding details. So I'm going to make my bunny a princess bunny by adding a little crown. So you can make yours a magician by adding a hat, or you can make it an astronaut, adding a helmet. It's whatever you want it to look like. So now I'm going to add a background. So I'm going to add a flat line behind my bunny. And for grass, what you want to do, just go ahead and go up and draw lines. Just kind of put them anywhere you want. To make them look like actual plants, go back to those original lines and you can close them this way. And it'll give you that leaf shape. So same thing to the other side. Or you could even make it look like carrots. That could be great too. You can add maybe a flower. So it's a stem and a leaf. Maybe add some tulips since it's April. Or you can add a sunflower. So a circle with some petals going around it. And a sunflower has a lot of petals, so you can just add them, around and around, as many as you want. And for a sunflower, it has a lot of seeds. So go ahead and add a lot of circles on that inside part, because that's where the sunflower holds its little seeds. You guys are hearing my daughter Aubrey right now. Hi, Aubrey. Go ahead and add a stem with a leaf. And there you go. You can add a sun and some clouds. Hi, Aubrey. And there you go. I have a bunny princess. Okay, so for our second bunny, we are going to draw this one out of the letter B. So first we started with D, now we're doing B for bunny. So go ahead and start in the middle of your paper and draw a straight line down. Not all the way, just one in the middle, short line. Like that. And now go ahead and go to the top and make a smaller C shape. Oops. And then go on the bottom and make a larger C shape for the body shape. So now you should have a letter B for bunny. So if you remember from the first bunny that we drew, we used a pizza shape to make the nose. Go ahead and do that again. So go up to about the middle of the top of the B shape. And you're going to go over a little bit. So make the first curve and make that pizza shape. And fill it in. So now you have your nose. Okay, now we are going to draw our ears. So go to that tip right here of the B. If you need to, go ahead and make a little dot right there. We are going to make, it looks almost like an 8, but instead of making it round, we are going to make it pointy, so almost like a leaf shape. So go ahead and do the one side, up, and then repeat on the bottom. Oh, I have one short ear. Let's go ahead and fix that. There we go. 2 ear shapes. And then for part of the leg, you're going to go to the very bottom side of the B shape. Go ahead and draw a sideways D. So go from the tip right there. Go up and around. So now it looks like you have a D shape on its side. Okay. So now go ahead and go close to the edge of that D shape. So right about here. So you still have a little bit of space. And make another D shape, but make this one a smaller D. Make sure this one goes a little bit under the body, so then that makes the foot stick out. Go ahead and erase any overlapping lines. So those are the lines that look like they're going through the foot. So that's all of this. Gone. If you need to go back and retrace something, go ahead and do that. There we go. So now we have a foot and our bunny's coming along. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and draw your arm by making a long oval shape. So your shape will look like that. You can sketch it very lightly if you're not quite sure what it needs to look like before you go back and trace it harder. So I drew it lightly. Now I'm drawing on it again a little bit harder, pressing down on my pencil. And once I'm ready, and I know I have the shape right, I will press down a little bit harder. That way we can see it. And go ahead and get rid of that overlapping line right there. That makes it look like the belly is going through the arm. So get rid of that line. Perfect. Okay, so now you are going to add at the tip of the nose an upside down C shape or a U shape for the mouth. Go ahead and add an eyeball The eyes can look however you want, so they can be cute eyes, but I'm just making a plain little round eye for now. Okay. And then you are going to make sideways C shapes at the edge of the foot. And you are going to add the tail by adding a circle behind the bunny. And to add fluffiness, just go ahead and make U shapes around the tail. So that will give it its nice little fluffy tail. Okay, so now you can go ahead and trace over the bunny shapes. If there are still some lines that you are noticing are overlapping, go ahead and erase those. Okay, so now you can add your background because you are done with your cute little bunny. So because the arm is kind of sticking out, I'm going to have mine maybe at the grocery store. Oh, I think I drew my line a little too high. Let's try that again. There we go. So we'll be pushing a little. Pushing a little grocery cart here. So I'm drawing my little grocery cart, the wheels. And he's trying to go shopping for some. Michaela, what would a bunny go shopping for?
I get carrots.
For carrots. That's good. So maybe we can have a little carrot stand over here. So it says... It says carrots. Carrots.
What are you talking to?
I'm making a video showing kids how to draw a bunny.
Oh.
Cool, right? Yeah.
I read a dream bunny like.
All right. So now we need to add some carrots in here. So let's add some carrots.
Ooh, I know what your bunny had too. I had corn on the cob.
Oh, and a bunny will eat corn on the cob, you think?
Yeah.
Maybe. Okay. So I'm adding some carrot shapes in here.
And you have made corn on the cob.
And we'll add some corn on the cob on the bottom.
Ooh, I know. And
because
salad.
To make a salad. Okay, so our bunny likes carrots and cucumber, or no, you said corn on the cob. So we'll make some, and salad, right. So we'll make some corn on the cob. There we go.
And salad.
And salad.
And what else?
Right. So there we go. We have a little bunny going shopping for some carrots and corn on the cob and salads. There we go.
Not big enough.